The 2024 Husqvarna FE501w marks a significant improvement in off-road riding. Equipped with a powerful SOHC engine and cutting-edge technical features, this model focuses on enhancing controllable power and maneuverability. The engine's strategic placement at the center of gravity contributes to improved handling. The new chassis, developed with advanced engineering, complements the agile feel, along with the upgraded WP suspension, ensuring enhanced comfort in the broader context of Husqvarna's 2024 Enduro lineup, including TE, FE, FEs, and few models. A new standard for off-road riding is set. Shared innovations like the WP XACT closed cartridge forks and redesigned shock bring smooth action and predictable performance. The chromium molybdenum steel frame, featuring a durable polyamide/aluminum hybrid subframe, optimizes anti-squat behavior and flexibility without compromising stability. Specific models, such as TE150, TE250, and TE300, benefit from new engines with throttle body injection technology, ensuring consistent power delivery. The FE450, FE350s, FE501s, FE350w, and FE501w boast more compact engines, improving mass centralization and anti-squat behavior. Premium components, including LED headlights, BracTech brakes, Pro Taper handlebars, and Michelin Enduro tires, are shared across the lineup. Key technical highlights of the 2024 models include the optimized chromium molybdenum steel frame, a robust polyamide/aluminum hybrid subframe, advanced WP ZACT suspension, ergonomic bodywork, TBI technology for two-stroke engines, powerful four-stroke engines, upgraded LED headlights, BracTech brake systems, multifunctional map select switch, off-road control unit. For electronics, Pro Taper handlebars, and an electric starter with a lightweight Li-ion battery. The redesigned SOHC cylinder head, with a focus on compactness, houses lightweight valves for optimized torque and throttle response. Redesigned intake ports and a new valve cover contribute to engine efficiency. The cylinder and piston, featuring a lightweight aluminum design, maintain a compression ratio of 12.75:1, offering increased peak performance. The crankshaft is strategically positioned for optimal traction, contributing to the 500 cubic centimeters engine's lightweight and agile handling. Crankcases are designed for efficiency, incorporating a steel oil pump gear and improved oil scraper design. The gearbox, produced by Pankl Racing Systems, boasts a weight-optimized shift shaft and advanced gear sensor for tailored engine maps. The FE501s and FE501w introduce a dampened diaphragm steel (DDS) clutch, enhancing traction and durability. The clutch basket, a single-piece CNC machined steel component, aids in the engine's compact design. The exhaust system features a reduced diameter header pipe for improved engine response. Overall, the 2024 Husqvarna FE501w combines technological innovations for superior performance, with a US MSRP price of $12,649.